In front of me is OPPO F19 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Photos app and clicking on Photos or Albums at the bottom. Either way, after locating photos that you wish to delete, hold the chosen one. And to select all right away, click on this button at the top right corner. In order to keep some of those photos, tap on the ones that you wish to exclude. And to delete the rest, use this bin at the bottom right corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!